Drop the frame now. Hey, break it. I dey tell you. I dey tell you.
No. Sorry, oh.
So you say be another man say, now you study. If I say, I'm gone. Welcome. How now? I do. I beg. My friend, their house. I never see her cover this one, yo. Maybe she go there inside. Let me quickly go and check her because I need to give her this frame. This thing don't they take for my house, so I need to drop it for her. Hey, okay. We check her. Thank you. Go check her. Bring time to come, oh. Madam. Oh, this girl don't work out again. Eh? If not because of my phone is dead, I will have just call her before leaving. This girl. Madam. You don't see her? A BOC. I don't knock, tire. She know the house. She know the inside the room, Jerry. So I go come drop her for her later.
Okay.
But sorry, madam. You need to call the owner of that where you dey hold.
She what?
To call the gate before you go carry this thing come up for here. Like I carry waiting I carry. The frame where they your hand now.
Hey!
Like I don't understand. If like say that way they chop that time, don't enter your head, Abby. Why you not here when I carry this frame? Enter. Tell this I won't go give my friend. Say the friend don't take for my house. Madam. Now my work I they do for you. As a bona fide security son of the Republic of Nigeria. Sean. No property. Fee pass here. Except order come from the owner. You be like say you don't decrete, Abby.
Yes.
As I they go now. Let me see you stop me. Madam, you don't stop me. Respect yourself, oh. Respect yourself, I say, oh. Call the owner. Are you okay? Leave this thing, I tell you, oh. Leave the frame now. Later, they want you now. Leave this thing, oh. Respect yourself. Leave this thing, right? Madam, are you okay? Come on, oh. Drop the frame now. Hey, break it. I dey tell you, oh. I dey tell you.
No. Sorry, oh. You know what I need to tell you?
You don't break out. You are my brother. It is well.